So why you should sell and promote both subscriptions and high ticket affiliate marketing products both combined at the same time. So guys, before we get to this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, okay? So every time when I release a brand new video to you guys can be notified, okay? Now guys, let's first start with subscriptions. Why do I literally recommend you guys to promote and sell subscriptions product as an affiliate marketer, especially if you're just starting out, you're brand new in the industry? The reason why I recommend that is because your income is more predictable and consistent. Do you see what I'm saying so far? Look, when you promote a subscription product, okay, something that someone buys and they keep on buying every single month, your income is more predictable and more consistent because that money is going to keep coming every single month, meaning that your money is more passive. Let me give you guys an example. Let's say, for example, you are an affiliate of Netflix, okay? You guys all know what Netflix is. If you live in the United States like I do, Netflix is basically a streamlined video service that allows people to watch a bunch of movies on the television, on our televisions and stuff like that. So it's a streamlined video on demand. So basically, that if people want to watch movies, they want to watch shows, they go on Netflix on TV. Now understand that the people who uses Netflix like myself on our television, we pay monthly, we pay every single month, right? Now let's say that Netflix service that we pay as customer every single month, let's say an affiliate signed us up to this on-demand streamline, okay? Understand that as long as us customer will still paying Netflix, the person, the affiliate who signed us up to that Netflix on-demand video streamline, they're still going to be earning a commission every single month through Netflix. Does that make sense? Netflix is going to continue to pay the affiliate as long as we are still customer to Netflix. So that means if we're still paying Netflix every single month, and that affiliate is going to continue to earn money every single month. Now if we stop the subscription, we'll stop paying, the affiliate will lose their commission. Do you see what I'm saying? Now let me give you an example, of numbers, okay, so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So let's say the affiliate is earning about, let's say, $20, okay, commission through the subscription, okay? It doesn't matter. It could be Netflix, it could be a business software. It doesn't matter what you're selling, as long as it's something that somebody is subscribing to, okay? So let's say you the affiliate is earning about $20 per month, okay? One sale, one customer, okay, to one customer as an affiliate, they're earning that. Understand that $20 is going to keep coming every single month on a monthly basis, meaning that the money is more passive income. Do you see what I'm saying so far? So the thing is, for the affiliate to increase their income, all they have to do is just add more customer to that subscription. So that means if they're earning $20 per month, they have to add, if they add another let's say another customer, that $20 will go for $20 to $40. So two customer, $40. That means every single month that they're earning $40. Now if they want to add another $20, that means another customer, that means it's gonna go for $40 to $60. So that means every single month now the affiliate is earning $60. So just add more and more customer, your income is gonna keep increasing and increasing. And understand that when you sell, like let's say stuff like Netflix, or maybe you're selling a software for a business, the lifetime value of the customer is very, very long term. Why? Because most of these customer needs these services. For example, Netflix, people need to watch TV. I mean, like, it's common sense. People need to watch TV, so they need a streamlined on-demand video software. Streamlined on-demand video stuff anyway. So at the end of the day, they need this stuff. So you, as the affiliate, you are literally giving people great services because you're giving them something that they want. So the lifetime value of the customer is amazing. Do you see what I'm saying? That's the beauty about it, and that's what I like about it. Now, so understand that your income becomes more passive, okay? So all you have to do is sign more and more customer, and your income is going to keep increasing and increasing and increasing. So if it's $20 commission, one sale, you put another customer, it's gonna go from $20 to $40. For $40, you add another customer, $60. So even if you lose one customer and your income goes back down, just keep adding and more customer. Your income is gonna keep increasing and increasing. And understand that the predictability of your income becomes easier because now you can see your numbers. Do you see what I'm saying so far? Now, let's go high ticket. Now, when you say a high ticket, I understand that when you sell a high ticket product, you earn big commission, right? Like for example, let's say you're selling a digital product that's paying you about $2,000, right? And let's say you're getting paid about 50% commission as an affiliate marketer. You're gonna earn what? $1,000 per sale, one sale. That's a lot of money, yes. But again, you need both, okay? Because understand that high ticket can also have an advantage and a disadvantage. What do I mean by that? For example, if you're starting out as an affiliate marketer, if you just choose to promote only high ticket product, the commission is only one time. And the problem with that is that if you're starting out, you're brand new and you sell like a $2,000 product this month, and then after that the next month you have a bad month, you're not gonna make money. That $1,000 you only earn it one time. So especially if you're brand new, you need at least commission that can come on a consistent basis. I get it that you have to earn high ticket. It's great, but you also need recurring, meaning passive income that's at least coming in every single month, guarantee. Do you see what I'm saying? Now, I would advise you, if you're starting out, find a product, okay? Find a product in a marketplace that will do both, that will pay you both recurring and high ticket at the same time. As you guys see, for example, I have an all-in-one digital program that pays me as an affiliate both subscriptions and high ticket at the same time. So at the back end, there's a high ticket that pays me one time, and I also have about $100 that comes every single month, $120 that comes every single month. That's my all-in-one digital business program that I promote as an affiliate marketer. It pays me $120 on a monthly basis, and I also earn $500 to $800 one-time high ticket sales. So you need both. Do you see what I'm saying? You need to have a product that can combine both. Just having one can also be a caveat. So if you don't have, at least understand that even if I earn that $800 one time, at least I still have that $120 coming in every single month. So understand that if you're starting out as a complete beginner and you only go high ticket, it's good. Okay, I'm not saying that that's bad, but again, you need income coming in on a monthly basis that's consistent. And understand, like I said, if you have a bad month and you made, let's say, $1,000 this month, you need to have that income coming in again the next month. Understand that you're gonna have to go get brand new customer to make that $1,000 again. But when you have a subscription, you don't have to go get brand new customer. All you have to do is just figure out a way to have you need to get brand new customer, yes, but understand that your income at least is more predictable. And understand too, something is this. Let me give you an example. Let's say you were earning $100, okay, subscription, okay, in your subscription, right? $100 per month in subscription as an affiliate. Understand that $100, if you look at it on the long-term basis, okay, if you look at it, how many months do we have in a year? 12 months. If you look at $100, you times it times 12, that's about 1,200 a year. Okay, and that's 1 year. So that means if you have that customer for, let's say, 10 years, so that means every year with that customer, you're earning about $1,200 every year, every single year. So that means that's 1,200 a year for that one single customer. And understand that if you only earn a high ticket, you earn it one time, that's just that month. But understand that that's a one-time payment for one customer. But if you have that recurring, look at the long-term process. You still earning the same amount of money that you earn with high ticket, but with subscription you just did it more on the long-term basis. And not just that though, that $1,200 might be way more than if you were to earn like a high ticket product Why? Because if the customer is still with you for, like, let's say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, that means you're gonna earn way more than if you were earning $1,000 one time. That's the beauty about it. You see what I'm saying? But like, I'm not saying that you shouldn't do high ticket. Do both, okay? Just find a product that's gonna pay you both high ticket, where you're earning at least $1,000 per sale, or maybe between $500 to $800 per sale. Around there, that's how much I earn, and have at least maybe at the back end also another $100 per sale paid out to you as commission on a monthly basis. So have both. One, you can have predictable income, and one, you can have at least $1,000 per sale at the same time. That's the beauty about it. You see what I'm saying? So yes, guys, and I hope this video was really valuable. And if you would like to get a product that pays you both high ticket between at least $500 to $800 one time per sale, and at the same time you can earn $120 per sale on a monthly basis, recurring residual income, you know, just click down below to my YouTube description to get access to my all-in-one digital business program. Okay, just go right ahead, click on the link you see down below. I would like to invite you to my all-in-one digital business program. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later to the next video. Peace.
Hello, my friend. It's me, AI Jostel. Are you struggling financially? Are you working a 9-to-5 job that you deeply hate and looking to quit so you can live life on your own terms? Or maybe you're just searching for ways to make money online, earn passive income, build an online business, and work from home? Well, I got the solution for you. Introducing my all-in-one digital business program. Your real ticket to financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. If you want instant access to this program, just go ahead and click the link down below in my YouTube description to get free access to my all-in-one digital business program. I will see you inside.